GCSE Maths Help. Today we're going to be looking at types of numbers such as lowest common multiples and highest common factors. We're also going to look at writing a number as a product of its prime factors. Let's get started. The lowest common multiple of two numbers is the lowest integer that's a multiple of both of those numbers, sort of what it says on the tin. The easiest way to calculate the lowest common multiple of two numbers is to write out their times tables and you can see which is the first number they have in common. For example, find the lowest common multiple of 12 and 15. So we're going to start by writing out the 12 times table. We've got 12, 24, 36, 48, 60, 72, 84. We'll stop there. We can always add some more multiples if we haven't found one in the 15 times table yet. Well, let's move on to the 15 times table. We've got 15, 30, 45, 60, which appeared in the 12 times table. So 60 is the first number to appear in both lists, so that must be the lowest common multiple of 12 and 15. As you get better at these questions, you might find that writing out your times table is a little bit long-winded, but while you're starting out, it's a good visual way to get used to what the question's asking you to do. The highest common factor of two numbers is the largest integer that will divide exactly into those two numbers. Let's face it, it's going to be more interesting to find out the highest number that does this rather than the lowest, as that's always going to be 1. The easiest way to find the highest common factor is to write out all of the factors for the two numbers you're looking at so you can spot which one is the highest in both lists. For example, find the highest common factor of 45 and 60. So let's start by thinking about what can times together to make 45. We've got 1, 45, 3, 15, 5 and 9. I'm writing them out in their pairs so that I know that I'm not missing any numbers. I'm going to write them out now in ascending order so it's a bit easier to spot which is the highest number of the two lists. So we've got 1, 3, 5, 9, 15 and 45. Right, let's have a little think about what times is together to make 60. So we've got 1, 60, 2 and 30, 3 and 20, 4 and 15, 5 and 12 and 6 and 10. So I'll write those out in ascending order as well. 10, 12, 15, 20, 30 and 60. So looking at the two lists, the highest number that we can see that features in both of them is 15, so that must be the highest common factor of 45 and 60. The next thing you need to know for your exam is writing a number as a product of its prime factors. That means splitting the number down into pairs of its factors, and you keep going until you have a list of prime numbers. So let's have a go at writing 90 as a product of its prime factors. We'll put 90 at the top of the tray. So we're going to think of two numbers that we can split 90 down into. So we've got 9 times 10 makes 90. Now 9 and 10 not prime numbers, so we need to split these down further. So I'm going to split 9 into 3 times 3. I'm going to split 10 into 2 times 5. So 3 is a prime number, 2 is a prime number, and 5 is a prime number, so we can say that 90, written as a product of its prime factors, is 2 times 3 times 3 times 5. We can simplify that further to 2 times 3 squared, because we've got 2 3's, times 5. I really hope you found this video helpful. If you'd like to have some practice at answering exam-style questions on this topic, click the link in the bio below. Don't forget to subscribe to GCSE Maths Help with the subscribe button below, or you can check out my Instagram page at GCSE Maths Help for more videos and tips. Thanks for watching.